What's up and welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about our Boxycharm for the month of February, and we're going to go ahead and get into it. We're going to see what products are inside of it, and today I decided that we're going to go ahead and test some of the products out. If you want to know more about Boxycharm, I'm going to go ahead and link it all down below. You guys know the drill. We do this every month here on my channel. We do subscription boxes, we do reviews, we do hauls, we do all that good stuff. We're going to go ahead and get diving into it. Normally I just do an unboxing, but I have time today to spend some time and kind of play around with the products, and there are a few products in there that I'm definitely excited to test out. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I see in our box is an eye cream. We have here the Saturday Skin. This is the Vitamin C Bright Eye cream. Ooh, I love the packaging on this. I just finished using the Murad eye cream that I believe we got in our box as well. Loved it. Super hydrating. I do have very dry under eyes, and anything that's like thick makes me really excited to use, because if I don't moisturize well underneath my eyes, I do find that you can visibly see it when I go to set my makeup, and nobody likes that. Very thick in the pot as well. No scent to it. It's supposed to help improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines, and this retails for $32. Next item we have is the Yensa Tone Up Primer. This is the Essential Glow. This has 8 Super Blocks Essence in it. I actually already have this, so this one here is mine. I've actually used this for quite some time now. I really love this. I've actually talked about this in like favorites and stuff. This is the formula right here. You can see it's like a creamy formula. Really do enjoy this primer. I actually find it to kind of even out the skin just a little bit. I've got it all in my hair. I'm gonna pull my hair back because there's no way my hair is gonna cooperate with me. The only issue that I've ever had with this product is that sometimes it doesn't like some of my moisturizers. And so when I use this primer, sometimes I have to be just a little bit careful. Like today, I'm wearing the Protini by Drunk Elephant, so it's okay. But when I use it with like my CeraVe moisturizers, I do find sometimes that I have to be a little bit cautious, because I do get some pilling around the edges with this. If you get it in your box, you're gonna be excited about it. Next item I have is the 4-in-1. This is the Makeup Brush Multitasker. So this is by Alley-oop. So here you have it. It's got a little sponge at the bottom. Oh, look at that, folks. So you unscrew the top of this and then unscrew the bottom. A little eye brush. That is neat. I don't know how this is going to do with concealer. I wonder if I can wet this and then use it for concealer, because I need something like nice and soft. So I did go in with the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is one of her new foundations, and I just did a review on it. So if you want to check it out, I'll have it linked here. But I'm just going to go in with something that's, you know, it's like my tried and true. I actually need to get another one of these, and it's just by Rare Beauty. It's her concealer. I actually saw that like TikTok trend where they went like this, and they went like this, and they came back and did that. So let's try to blend this out. I'm going to use a little sponge. I always get a little nervous. I'm not really a big fan of these sponges. You know when you just know? Well, it did a good job. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, it looks fine. I take it back. It looks good. I don't know what I was expecting, but I definitely wasn't expecting this. I was expecting it to be really splotchy, and it's not. Like, it looks really good. It's kind of shocked. So I'm taking just a little bit of the Catrice stuff. This is a little bit brighter than the Rare Beauty, just to go underneath my eyes, because I definitely feel like it needs it. All right, I can see where it's starting to get a little splotchy right there. So I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and just kind of blend out those edges. I just wanna see how it does blending out my forehead. I don't like it. All right, so for the concealer, it was fine, but for my bronzer, I still feel like I can see where I'm bouncing it around. I'm gonna go ahead and powder up my skin, and then we're gonna try out the bronzer side. So let's test this side out. I actually like how soft this side is, so I wanna test this out. I'm just gonna go in with the LYS powder. This is in the No Limits Matte Bronzer. I actually like the way this blends out. Okay, let's start off on this side. It's very soft, so it's super easy to work with. We'll probably do like an easy look just to use the brushes. So far, I'm really impressed with this brush. Normally I use a different brush to apply my blush. It took me like 3 or 4 times to say that, by the way. But because I want to just test this out, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe this off on a clean paper towel. And I'm just going to use this blush. This is the Basic Instincts 1 blush palette by NARS. And I'm going to take these 2 bottom shades, roll my brush in there, and use it to apply the blush. I feel like this could be a good brush for either or. Like you could definitely use it for bronzer or blush because it's applying really nicely and super soft. I like a lot of blush, by the way. We're gonna do a really quick and easy eye look just so we could use the brushes inside here. I'm gonna go in with the Natasha Denona Retro palette. Love this palette so much. And I'm just going to take Nude Mauve and apply it all over the eyes. And I'm just going to dust it all over my eyes. For highlight, I did go in with the Rachel Loves palette, and I used the shade Lace inside here. Still one of my favorite palettes for highlight. I'm going to take the shade Apart, and I'm going to use it to create a little wing. And then I'm going to fill it in also. It's like made the perfect wing. Holy cow, that was easy. I freaking love this little brush. Oh my goodness. I do want to also try out this item that's in our box. This is the Estee Precision Liquid Liner. This retails for $12. It's black. I wasn't really planning to use a black wing, but let me go ahead and maybe I'm just going to apply it like close to my outer corner just to intensify it a little bit more. For the inner corner, just to apply a little bit of brightness, let's go in with this little fluffy brush and we're going to take Mood and pop that right on the lid just to open up the eye a little bit more. The last item I have in my box is by Stila. This is the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. This here retails for $23. I don't think I've actually ever used this mascara. Ooh, it's big. Here you have the wand, but we'll go ahead and apply it and kind of prep our lashes for some falsies. It's not clumping together, which is great. So I went ahead and I just finished off. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I'll go ahead and mention it. I have the KKW Beauty. This is in Nude #1. This has been my all-time favorite combo, just an FYI. Then I've got this Selena and MAC collaboration in Vive, which is a cream sheen. I'm sure you can find something very similar, just like a light brown. And then to top it, I've been using the Ilia, I think this is the Only You lip oil, and I just like the way it feels on my lips because it's like very subtle and it's so easy. So I think I'm gonna get a full size of this because I can't get enough. I'm actually really impressed with this month's box. The only thing I think I didn't mention was the Alley 4-in-1 brush that actually retails for $28. I'm very impressed with this month's box. Like the one thing that I think I wasn't expecting to enjoy was the brush. Like I thought was like, oh, okay, it's cute, but how often am I gonna use it? Love this. Absolutely love this. I thought it just created like the easiest and perfect little mini wing, and I could definitely see myself taking it. The sponge is fine. I was actually, again, you guys saw my reaction, very shocked on the way that it applied, and I had no problem. And then the eye cream, super yummy. Let me know down below what you guys are supposed to be getting in your box. I still have my 2 boxes that are coming in. I actually just got shipment confirmations for them. I do have a premium and a base box. This one here was gifted from Boxycharm, so thank you to Boxycharm for providing this. And if you guys are new to my channel, just make sure to hit that subscribe button before you head out. I also do have a couple new videos that I just uploaded. I just uploaded an Amazon haul. I just did a bunch of I got a bunch of clothes from Amazon. I actually got a personal shopper on there, which is so freaking cool. You have to check it out. It's right here. And then below it, I have a, and then I'll also post another one of my recent videos down below as well. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in a while. Bye.